Pressure differential holding steady.
We have green across all pyros.
Data stream confirms successful separation.
Confirming coupling integrity. Status is verified.
Acknowledged. We are aligned for the stress test.
Check the alignment on the port side.
Looks good. Tension is within limits.
Verify the firing unit interface connections.
Confirmed. Harness continuity is good on both seats.
System check complete. All telemetry nominal. We are verified for the next sequence.
The digital separation for the K-36 seat and the canopy structure is locked and verified. We are go for simulation.
Verification complete. The laser shows no deviation.
Agreed. All specs met. I'm logging the final coordinates now.
The sequencing electronics initiated the drogue chute deployment exactly on schedule.
Trajectory profile is nominal. Safety parameters confirmed.
The lower portion of the K-36 ejection seat is submerged into the specialized pressure vessel, which is then pressurized to simulate deep immersion.
The assembly zone, once occupied by the K-36 production, is now completely clear. Automation.
So the workflow change is confirmed. We proceed with the fine surface treatment here.
Right. And the Canopy Jettison Check data is logged in the system?
Data secure. Let's prep the rig for fragmentation inspection.
Copy that. Starting with the camera leads now.
Here in the Process B lab, the fragments from the ejection sequence test arrive for structural analysis. This demonstrates the material flow consistency required for certification.
As you can see, the fracture followed the chord channel exactly. This confirms the successful performance of the jettison system for Product B.
This final analysis confirms the material performance required to move forward with the dedicated manufacturing of the next Canopy unit.
The eddy current probe scans the titanium frame, verifying the metal's homogeneity. This is critical for the Simplins. An overhead gantry moves the freshly coated polycarbonate canopy into the curing chamber. Controlled infrared. As part of the ejection sequence testing, the Yak-130 canopy, Product B, is carefully secured for transport by AGV to the integration zone.
The embedded chip transmits the complete manufacturing history to the central database, ensuring full traceability.
Sensor data lines are showing green across the board.
Confirmed. The power bus integration looks solid.
Alignment check on Product B.
Pins seated. All green indicators confirmed.
This final component installation ensures the emergency function of the finished Product B, relying on the structural test.
The Yak-130 ejection sequence test confirms the integrity of the Product B canopy during the jettison check. The optical clarity is flawless.
The completed Yak-130 is towed out onto a sunlit military airfield. The light beautifully refracts through the canopy.
Warning, ejection sequence active. Canopy Jettison Check initiated.
G-loading stable at 9, -2. Initiating sequence check.
Warning, warning.
Ejection sequence active.
Maintain current speed. We are aligned with the automated rig.
Confirmed. The canopy sensors show green across the board.